मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण पाहिले होते फर्स्ट 30 एलिमेंट्स. ओके. पिरियडिक टेबल कन्सिस्ट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट, लार्ज नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. Out of that 118 elements, we study the 30 elements. That is from first 20 from hydrogen to calcium, and from 21 to 30 that is 3D transition series. 3D transition series मध्ये स्कँडियम, टिटॅनियम, व्हॅनेडियम, क्रोमियम, मॅग्नीज, आयर्न, कोबाल्ट, निकेल, कॉपर अँड झिंक असे आपण 30 एलिमेंट पाहिले होते. सगळ्यांची 30 एलिमेंट लर्न असतील आय होप. ओके. फर्स्ट 20 तुम्हाला माहिती आहे कुठून स्टार्ट होते, हायड्रोजन पासून. एकदा आपण रिव्हिजन करून घेऊया, नंतर नेक्स्ट पार्ट आपण स्टार्ट करू. ओके. सो हायड्रोजन, हेलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, then carbon, nitrogen, yes, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Okay. Then sodium, magnesium, aluminium, then what, silicon, then phosphorus, sulfur, then chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. First 20. And from 21 to 30 that is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Okay. In today's lecture we will see that the structure of atom. Atom's structure. Okay. What is an atom? Atom means what? Element पाहिले आता आपण 30 elements आहे. 30 हे जे एलिमेंट्स आहे, एलिमेंट्स एकदम स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल. व्हाट इज एटम? एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट is called as atom. Now look at here. Structure of atom. Structure of atom. Okay. In the structure of atom, first of all, what is atom? Atom is smallest particle of an element. Smallest particle of an element is known as atom. जो एलिमेंटचा स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल असेल त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? atom is known as what? atom. That smallest particle, it cannot be divide and redivide again. हा जो smallest particle है, smallest particle of an element that cannot be divide and redivide again is known as the atom. त्याला आपण म्हणणार आहे atom. In case of atom, समजा आपण कन्सिडर केलं की जेव्हा आपल्याकडे ब्लॅक बोर्ड असायचे तर आपण चॉकनी लिहायचो त्याच्यावर. ओके. खडू. ओके. दॅट चॉक. जेव्हा चॉकनी आपण बोर्डवर लिहायचो त्याची बारीक डस्ट पडायची. that each and every dust particle, they are very minute, they cannot be divide and redivide again. ते आपण परत डिवाइड आणि रीडिवाइड नाही करू शकत. ओके. सो दॅट मायन्यूट पार्टिकल और दॅट, सो वी कन्सिडर इट ॲज एन व्हॉट? ॲटम. त्या अशा मायन्यूट पार्टिकलला आपण कन्सिडर करणार आहे ॲटम. ॲटम cannot be seen by naked eyes. naked eyes ने आपण तसा atom पाहू शकत नाही because it is very smallest particle that cannot be divide and redivide again. But only for our conceptual or for understanding we consider that suppose chalk is an element and chalk ची जी बारीक dust आहे, that is little dust, that dust particle, they are called as an atom. Okay. So atom consists of two part. One is nuclear part and second one is non-nuclear part. So centrally situated part, it is known as nucleus. Okay. Centrally situated part called as nucleus, and around this nucleus electrons are revolved in various orbitals. So this is nucleus. Nucleus consists of proton and neutron. Okay. Proton and neutron. And this is called as nuclear part. except that nucleus remaining part, it is called as what? Non-nuclear part. So this is nuclear part, this is extranuclear or non-nuclear part. This is called as non-nuclear part. Okay, non-nuclear part. This is the nucleus which consists of protons and neutrons, and in the non-nuclear part, in these orbitals, these are the various orbitals. So in these orbitals, electrons are revolve around the nucleus. Okay, here electron, these electrons, they are present here like this. Electron, here also electron. Okay. So here centrally situated part called as nucleus. Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Protons, they are positively charged particle present in the nucleus of an atom is known as proton. Okay, what is proton? The positively charged fundamental particle. It is known as what? Fundamental particle. These are the various fundamental particles: protons, neutrons and electrons. Okay, proton, it is positively charged particle. We look here, this is protons, then there is what? Neutrons, and then there is what? Electrons. Protons, neutrons आणि electrons. Okay, so protons are positively charged fundamental particle, neutrons are neutral or no charge, having no charge fundamental particle which is present in the nucleus of an atom, and electron, they are the negatively charged fundamental particle present around the nucleus in an orbitals. Okay, or they are present in the orbital or non-nuclear part or the extra nuclear part. Okay, so in this way we just see what is atom, definition of atom, its structure and its three fundamental particle. Okay, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण या तिन्ही फंडामेंटल पार्टिकलचे डेफिनेशन्स पाहणार आणि त्याच्यानंतर हाऊ वी कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट प्रोटॉन्स, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स प्रेझेंट इन द करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट ते आपण पाहणार आहे. ओके, समजलं इथपर्यंत? डेफिनेशन एकदम इझी आहे. व्हाट इज एटम? द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट which cannot be divide and redivide again, okay, is known as atom. In the structure of atom, two parts are present. One is the nuclear part and second one, it is the non-nuclear part. In the nuclear part or in the nucleus, there is presence of two fundamental particle, that is protons and neutrons, and around this nucleus electrons are revolved into various orbitals. So these three fundamental particles are present in the atom: proton, electron and neutron. The positively charged fundamental particle present inside the nucleus of an atom is known as proton. The negatively charged fundamental particle which present into the various orbitals and revolve around the nucleus, they are known as what? Electrons. And neutron, the neutral particle, the neutral fundamental particle having no charge is present in the nucleus of an atom is known as the neutrons. Okay, समजले इथपर्यंत? Okay, happy learning.